Hi folks, Rick Berube here. I want to give you a quick update for next week in Arizona. I'm going to Arizona, folks, and I'm on Monday, the 11th, I'm going to be at the North Scottsdale office talking about detailing and developing your DRC, your daily revenue commitment. It's that time of year, folks. Think about this. In a month, we'll be doing next year's business plans. Whoa! Okay, in Rocktober. Okay, then the following day, I'm going to be in Sedona. Okay, the 11th, I'll be in Sedona all day doing a success series. Okay, on Wednesday, I'll be in Gilbert from 9 to 11, once again, detailing and developing your DRC. I will also be in Tempe from 1 to 3, okay, on the 12th. And then on Friday, I will be in the Northwest office from 9 to 11, and then I will be in Goodyear, okay, from 12:30 to 3. Okay, hope to see you there. Please stop by and check me out. Thanks.